There are signs to watch and listen for that may indicate it's time for brake maintenance. Your Chevy brake pads have built-in warning signs that brake service is needed. If you hear a grinding or squealing sound when you apply the brakes, it's an indicator that your brakes may need service. Also, every time you use your brakes, pay attention to how your vehicle reacts and how the pedal feels under your foot. If your vehicle pulls to one side, has difficulty stopping, or the steering wheel shudders when the brakes are applied, a brake inspection is recommended. Brake repairs are one of the most commonly performed vehicle services, and it is important to have your brakes checked by your Chevrolet certified service experts. When ACDelco brake pads are installed, you can get peace of mind because they're expertly engineered and thoroughly tested. Call or click to schedule your appointment today for a thorough brake inspection.